For those of you who really want to be in the creative elements of television or film or whatever, wow, well, you're on to a great thing. As I have had in Star Trek, in the reading and study and so on, I've done it, the equivalent of several doctorates. You grow, you learn, you study astronomy, science, you study politics, all of the things that are worthwhile. I wake up and have for 35 years now at 5 o'clock in the morning. I get at least 2 hours of good reading in before my family's around at 7. And I've been doing that for 35 years. I invite you to that, the wonder of that, which you can realize too. And it's whatever shows you right, science fiction or otherwise. You learn, you test humans. Drama is an incredible school of the mind.